saw the escalating and growing tension between the two nations, Pakistan and India. Let's quickly take a look at how the economy is faring, and of course, the testimony to how the economy is doing is, of course, how the markets really behaved. In fact, let me walk you through Karachi Stock Exchange. We're talking about KSE 100. Remember, 85% of the shares are represented on this particular index. Tuesday, you saw it traded around 38,821 thereabout levels. Then Wednesday, which is yesterday, the closing was at about 37,330 levels. You saw almost close to a 4% fall in this particular market. But today, if you see, after the growing amount of tension as well between India and Pakistan, you're seeing some sort of a de-escalation which is set in, although there is fair bit of uncertainty, but you are seeing that particular index rally in trade today. So Pakistan KSE 100 index has rebounded as much as 1.1% in today's trading sessions. But overall, the market index, the benchmark index of Pakistan has seen a rebound, which means yesterday and day before what you saw was a knee-jerk reaction on the Pakistani bourses. The economy, of course, needless to say, continues to remain volatile. They have about $7 billion thereabout dollars of reserves, which would perhaps have them go through in the next 2 years to come. Economy remains in doldrums. Pakistani economy will not do well unless and until they go through a proper bailout of sorts. We'll wait and watch to see how that really pans out. As far as India is concerned, yesterday we saw a fair bit of volatility set in on the benchmark indices. When I talk about benchmark indices, I mean the Sensex and the Nifty. That kind of volatility has gone away today because today things seem to be fairly easier as far as markets are concerned. You can say the markets are in a relaxation mode for the layman's perspective. Let me walk you through what happened in the Indian markets today. The Indian markets managed to hold on to their respective gains. They ended flat in today's trading session. Nifty closed at around 10,794 levels. Sensex found itself at about 35,871 levels. Fairly flat in today's trading session. You didn't see that much of volatility coming through the day as well. So that's quite a relief for most traders and investors. This kind of negative news flow that you've been seeing usually ends up causing a knee-jerk reaction in the market, which we saw yesterday. But today you saw there was no knee-jerk selling seen from the investors' side as well. So the negative news flow has been unable to push the markets lower than the levels that I just mentioned right now. The equity markets, like I mentioned, are in a relaxed zone at this point of time. But you can't say if the tensions escalate, most experts are predicting fair bit of volatility can set in, also because India is close to the heels of the 2019 elections. So both these factors combined, will the markets remain jittery? Perhaps yes. We'll wait and watch to see how that pans out.